What's up, creators? Have you seen these absolutely cool designs that are going viral right now? These dramatic high contrast portraits with bold typography and those signature red accents are dominating ChatGPT trends nowadays. And you know what? They are really cool. I thought, why not to convert them to t-shirt designs? So today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own viral t-shirt design of this trend using nothing but ChatGPT and Kittl. So let's dive in. So go to your ChatGPT interface and simply copy and paste this prompt. You will find the prompt in the description. It's a very long prompt that would ensure the exact result that we're looking for, and add the picture of the celebrity that you would like to create the design around, or even add your own picture if you want. So make sure to change parts of the portrait that mentions some text, and change it into your likings and press on design. I forgot to mention that you need to enable the create image feature before you press on the upload button, and ChatGPT will start creating the image based on the prompt and the uploaded image. By the way, sometimes you might get a different face than the image that was uploaded, so simply run the prompt again, or use face swap tool to change the face to look like to be similar to the image that you have uploaded. And this is the result. Very nice design, and I will show you how to convert this to a t-shirt design. I like the texture, by the way, and the grain effect posed with this prompt. Of course, you can change all the text on the photo from the prompt. So let's download this image and go to our Kittl platform. Simply choose an artboard that fits a t-shirt design. I'm going to choose the t-shirt design artboard. I'm going to choose the t-shirt design artboard and change the color of the background to black, and I'm going to upload the downloaded image like so. Once the image is uploaded, it will be placed directly on the artboard. So now let's press on the remove background button. So select your image and press on the remove background button, and as we can see, Kittl did a great job removing the background from the image. So now we're going to go to the text tab and choose one of the fonts. I'm going to choose this title font combination and place it on the artboard, and let's change its color to red, a similar color to the red that we have on the design. And I'm going to change the text to read Dwayne Johnson, and using the layers tab on the left, I'm going to move the text combination to the background like so. It's a nice design already. You can use as a t-shirt design or maybe a poster design, so I like how it looks. But let's change the font style. Simply press on the font and group it, and while the font, so let's change the font style. Simply ungroup the fonts and change the transformation to none, and this will remove any style that was applied to your text. And now I'm going to stretch the text to fit our artboard. Now, while selecting the text and the alt button, move the mouse to duplicate the text like so, and create another version. Make sure to stretch the text to fit or to match with the other lines. Now let's go to the illustrations tab and add some straight lines to the design just to give this cool effect. And I'm going to change the color of these lines to red, and I'm going to change the fill of this text to none and increase the border size to create this nice text effect. I like how this looks so far. Now let's go to the textures tab and add texture to the image. Kittl has a wide range of textures that you can choose from. Simply add the texture that you like to the design. You can play with the opacity level, and if you don't like the texture, just choose another one and it will replace the previous one, and it will replace the previous one. And again, you can play with the opacity level or the texture blending mode from the menu on the right. So I think the multiply is the best option here for the texture that I chose. It gives this grain looking effect, which is very nice when printing. Once you're ready, you can remove the background color by pressing on the background and removing the color from the right menu. And you can also play with the opacity of the texture to lessen the effect a little bit. I think the design now looks perfect. However, I don't like the sharp edges of the image, of the corners of the image. But before that, let's add these lines to the top of the design. I think I like how it looks. So let's go to the illustrations tab and search for a mask. What we're going to do now is to create this textured effect around the corners of the image of Dwayne Johnson. So simply choose one of the masks and add or place the image inside it to create this paper effect around the corner. So move the image and place it inside the mask, and automatically the image will take the shape of the mask. Then double click on it to adjust the image to fit the corners. Make sure not to cut any part of the text. So I just need to apply this mask effect around the bottom part of the image. So what I'm going to do now is to duplicate my image and remove the mask from the duplicated copy and crop the other copy to only keep the upper part and add it to the other masked version and create or merge both images to be one image. So we're going to crop the second version like so, just to keep the upper part and match both images together to fit as one image. And this is how our image is going to look like with the mask applied. So once you're done, just select all the elements of your design and group them. And now after we have removed the background color from the design, simply press on the mockup button, and this will place your design on a mockup, and you can stretch the design to see how it's going to look like on a t-shirt. And as you can see, it looks perfect. You can download your mockup directly or change the color to white, and our design fits perfectly on a white t-shirt as well. Now let me show you another example of how you can create another version of this trend using another celebrity image. So this time I'm going to choose an image for Vinicius Jr., the famous football player, and similar to what we have done before, upload the image to your ChatGPT dashboard and make sure to change the text of the prompt. And this time we got this image, but I'm going to rerun it again while adding the design should be placed on a transparent background to see what we are going to get. And this time ChatGPT created an image, but not the whole background is removed, just parts of it. So what we're going to do is to fix this image again on Kittl, similar to what we have done before. So on the same artboard, you can simply duplicate your artboard and drag it to the side. Simply press on the artboard, and while selecting Alt, move it to the right, and this will create a similar artboard. If you delete the design and add the uploaded image, the texture that was applied to your first design will also remain as is. So as you can see, once you add any image, the similar texture that you had before is automatically added. So let's press on the remove background button, and this time, since the background is almost clean, Kittl almost removed it perfectly. But what we are going to do now is to manually delete the additional parts of the background. So press on the eraser button and delete or erase any unnecessary parts. And as you can see, the text on the left side is broken or partially deleted. So to fix that, we are going to completely remove it or erase it and rewrite it again using another font. And I'm going also to remove this text sign. I do not need it. So again, using the eraser, we can erase any unnecessary or additional parts. So I'm going to erase this text. Let's crop the image a little bit to delete the parts at the bottom. Now let's go to our text tab and choose one of the fonts to recreate the text that we have deleted. So I like this one. So if you press on any font combination or paragraph, it will be added automatically. I'm going to ungroup it and delete any unnecessary parts of the text. So I'm moving this text to the right, and the main text here is going to be the name of my celebrity. I'm going to divide it on different lines to fit the initial design like so. And let's change this text to talent. Now let's add some lines. I'm going to add straight lines to the right side of the image to match the original one that was created with ChatGPT. Of course, you can change or you can add any other elements. You don't have to stick to the same elements. I just like the initial design and I'm going to match it. And I'm going to move these lines to the background of the design. Simply press on the right click on the mouse and move it to the back. Finally, I'm going to do the same masking effect that I did to the first design. I don't like the white or beige color at the bottom part of the design, so I'm going to mask it. Simply choose a mask. Simply choose one of Kittl masks, duplicate the image and add the copy inside the mask. Make sure to apply the mask to the bottom part, which is the main part that we would like to change, and adjust it. And make sure to add the masked layer to match or to fit the other duplicated image, and crop the full or the other copy. Just delete the bottom part and leave the upper part as is. And after doing some adjustments, this is how our final design looks like. And again, you can press on the mockup button to place the design on a mockup. So that was a quick tutorial on how you can create similar ChatGPT trends and convert it to a t-shirt design using your own image or your favorite celebrity image using Kittl platform. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for future print on demand and design tutorials. Thanks for watching.